Welcome to you. Experiment number 15 presented by Karan V. Bapte, Kikewak Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori. The title of this experiment number 15 is to evaluate absorbent cotton wool IP. The prior concept is absorbent cotton wool and its uses, purity, its storage condition. Then new concept, test to be completed by absorbent cotton wool IP. The learning objective is the intellectual skill. First, to understand the concept of different taste. Second, to interpret the significance of different taste. Then motor skill. First, ability to examine cotton fibers under microscope and UV light. Second, ability to interpret the chemical taste. Third, ability to observe naps. Then apparatus, glassware are test tubes, stoppered conical flask, stoppered measuring cylinder, borosilicate glass, beakers, glass rods, glass plates, microscope, ultraviolet lamp. Then chemicals, absorbent cotton wool, iodinated zinc chloride solution, diluted phenolphthalein solution, methyl orange solution, sulfuric acid, water. Then preparation of iodinated zinc chloride solution. The procedure for this is, first we dissolve 20 gram of zinc chloride powder and 6.5 gram of potassium iodide in 10.5 ml of water. Add 0.5 gram of iodine and shake for 15 minutes. Filter if necessary. Then we go to procedure. The procedure are following. Raw cotton fibers are treated with various chemicals to remove natural waxes, impurities and foreign substances, and then bleach clean to achieve absorbent cotton. Chemically it contains pure cellulose with 6 to 7% moisture. Cellulose react with the iodinated zinc chloride solution to give stable complex of violet color. The sample of absorbent cotton wool IP is insoluble in zinc chloride solution. Some fluorescent chemical substance may remain in the absorbent cotton due to improper cleaning of raw cotton, which gives some fluorescence. Naps are small tangled masses of fibers visible to naked eyes, which can be observed in a thin layer against light. It should be not contain more than 500 naps per gram of absorbent cotton wool. Then evaluation of absorbent cotton wool as per IP 1996. In that, first test is identification test. In that, A. Examine single fibers of absorbent cotton wool under microscope. It contains single cell about 4 cm long and 40 mm wide in the form of flattened tube with thick and rounded walls and often twisted. B. Take a sample of absorbent cotton on glass side and treat it with few drops of iodinated zinc chloride solution. The absorbent cotton fibers become violet. Then C. Take 0.1 gram of sample in borosilicate beaker and add 10 ml of zinc chloride solution. Heat to 40 degrees Celsius and allow to stand for 2.5 hours with occasionally shaking. The fibers do not dissolve. Then second test is a test for acidity and alkalinity and surface active substances. In that, first we take a 15 gram of sample in a stoppered borosilicate flask, add 150 ml of water to it and macerate it for 2 hours in a closed borosilicate flask. Decant the liquid and squeeze out carefully the residual liquid with a glass rod and mix both the liquid. Use the same filtrate for test for acidity, alkalinity and surface active substances. In that, first test for acidity. Take a 25 ml of the filtrate in a borosilicate glass beaker, add 0.1 ml of dilute phenolphthalein solution to it. The solution does not show a pink color. If the solution shows pink color, indicates presence of acidic content in it and vice versa. The second test is test for alkalinity. In that, take 25 ml of the filtrate in a borosilicate glass beaker. Add 0.05 ml of methyl orange solution to it. If the solution shows pink color, it indicates presence of alkaline content in it, and vice versa. Then third, test for surface active substances. Take 25 ml of graduated ground glass stoppered cylinder with external diameter of 18 to 22 mm on rinse it with the sulfuric acid and then with water. Take 10 ml of filtrate of absorbent cotton wool in the graduated ground glass stoppered cylinder. Shake vigorously 30 times in 10 seconds. Allow it to stand for 1 minute. Shake again for 30 times. After 5 minutes, the height of the froth does not exceed 2 mm above the surface of liquid. The third test is the fluorescence test. Prepare a layer of absorbent cotton on a glass plate having 5 mm thickness approximately. Examine it under an ultraviolet lamp having a maximum output at 365 nanometer. It shows only a slight brownish violet fluorescence and a few yellow particles. Not more than a few isolated fibers shows an intense blue fluorescence. Then fourth test is test for water soluble substances. Boil 5 gram of sample with 500 ml of water for 30 minutes in a borosil glass beaker on gas. Stir frequently and replace the water lost by evaporation. Decant the liquid into a beaker and squeeze the residual liquid from the material carefully with a glass rod. Mix the liquid and filter the extract while hot. Evaporate 400 ml of filtrate and try the residual to content wet at 105 degrees Celsius. The water soluble substance of absorbent cotton wool should not be more than 0.5%. Then fifth test for nibs. Spread thin layer of 0.5 gram absorbent cotton for an area of 450 square centimeter uniformly between two glass plates. View by the naked eye under transmitted light. Repeat the test 3 times. Absorbent cotton wool does not show more nibs than about an average of 250 for 3 tests. Then the calculation is the test of water soluble substance. In that, weight of empty borosilicate beaker, put the value. Then weight of borosil beaker plus filtrate, it is a y gram and this x gram. Then weight of borosil beaker plus residue after drying to constant weight at 105 degrees Celsius, this is z gram. Then weight of water soluble substance is z minus x. This is the observation table. Name of the test, then observation, that is color or solubility or height of the froth or fluorescence, and inference. Then result. Finally, the absorbent cotton wool IP passes or fails the following tests. Total 7 tests. It may be passes or fail. Thank you.